Welcome to BAM Teacher Tech. I'm Bill Peterson. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at BAM Teacher Tech. So this is our first look at the new Google Classroom. So I'm here with my friend.
Hi, I'm Jen Cherry. You can find me at Cherry Reads on Twitter. I have not opened up the new Google Classroom yet, and so Bill here is conning me into hanging out with you.
So this is kind of like our uncut. We're going to click on buttons, so feel free to fast forward. So down below, if you're like, man, this is going too slow or they're annoying, just fast forward. It's cool. So this is our first look. So here we created a new Google Classroom. That process has not changed. So now we're in our Google Classroom together. And what did you notice, Miss Cherry?
So right at the beginning here, it says communicate with your class here, and I know we could create and schedule announcements last May. The respond to student post looks new to me.
Okay. And then down here, the plus button obviously got rid of some stuff. So right now, the only thing you can have here is class announcement and reuse posts.
Yeah, where's the assignments? Those are important.
Assignments. So we'll get to assignments. So the stream really is condensed now. So now it's just straight up announcements, which is super nice because last year, announcements got mixed up with your classwork.
Very true.
And then kids were all confused and your stream was a mile long. So hopefully this kind of cleans it up. There's also some other stuff here. So now there's an about button up here. I don't know if you saw that.
I see that. I also noticed it's very silly, but that picture right there was not a choice of a picture before. So they've added some of those, which is nice for a change.
New pictures. Let's hit select theme because we're going to go down a rabbit hole. Let's see what the gallery looks like.
We're not supposed to go down rabbit holes.
Maybe
we travel too far.
Wait, let's see. Are there any new ones? There has to be. Like, this is a new picture.
That one is new. That's new.
Oh, there's flute.
The capital.
And there's like intestines and things.
Delicious.
Cool. Let's not use that one. Let's use this one. Let's update it to the modern look. There's also this about button here, which just gives us a class code.
It makes it bigger, which is important.
Display a class code. Yay. All right, so let's click out of there. So there's nothing else here. Let's click on classwork, because I think this is where the money is.
The legendary status.
Classwork.
Fantastic. Okay, so we can create assignments and questions and use topics to organize classwork into modules or units and order it, which is very important. So.
Okay, so let's click the create button, because we're going to be fascinating.
Wait,
so
what's the folder for?
Oh, wait, what's the folder? Rabbit hole. Class Drive folder.
It just takes you right to
Okay, yeah. So this takes us to Google Drive. So Google Classroom offers a folder where all of your lovely files that you put into Google Classroom will live here.
So that's going to be only on our side, not on the student side.
It will actually be on the student side too. They can click on that and see all their files.
Their personal files.
Yeah, you'll see all the student stuff.
Yeah, that gets very.
Yeah, you'll love that. This is also a calendar button for Google Calendar, so just specific for this classroom. Let's hit Create. And I think, I did do this before, so this is Jen's first look. This is my second look. Let's create topics, because your mind's going to be blown.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Topic. What topic do you want?
Let's go with NaNoWriMo, one of my babies.
NaNoWriMo.
You spelled it right.
I did. I tried. And we're going to hit add. Topic created. Give me another. Let's do a second topic. It's actually quite awesome.
Okay, let's do GRA.
Okay, so the GRA is Global Read Aloud for my friends who aren't English people. GRA add. So Jen's classroom's a project-based classroom. So she's organizing her classroom based off of different projects that she's doing. So you can see her a little different, because now the topics are just these awesome.
Can I change their colors? You know how important colors are to me.
we'll do colors after.
What's the 3 dots beside it?
Oh, 3 dots beside it. Rename, delete, copy link. So copy link is cool. So after you post all your assignments in here, you can one link gets you to all the resources in the topic, and then move down. I can move that guy down. I can rearrange.
Okay.
Okay. Let's create an assignment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when we hit create assignment, everything looks the same from last year. So give me an assignment for one of them.
Dialogue.
Dialogue. Yeah. Okay, so obviously your instructions stay the same. Right here, you have point total is, so this is something that Could be useful if your school or district offers the syncing between classroom and gradebook, different video, different time, date and time kind of just got moved over because points are there. Topic, which topic does it go in?
NaNoWriMo.
NaNoWriMo. All these lovely things are the
It's
same.
the same. So the points wasn't there before.
points
that was in the when you actually went to grade it, which was always a pain to have to change it after the fact.
Yeah.
So that's nice.
So this is nice. We can do this before. Let's see what the arrow does.
Same thing.
So arrow, assign, schedule, save as drafts. All that's the same. Assign.
Yay!
Boom. So what do you think?
I like it. I hope they can get used to it, being in a different spot. So now what does the stream look like? Did that change at all?
Let's look at stream. No. Oh
Yeah.
wait, it just says I posted a new assignment.
Okay. All right.
So let's actually
I
click
wish
on.
it said right there
Let's
that it
click
was
on.
in the
Let's click on it. So it actually just opens up the student work. So I can actually go check out all the student work. So I'm assuming for them it probably pulls up instructions.
Right.
So I'll do a second video with the student view with this here a little bit later, but this is teacher first look. Oh, stink. I need to go back. Ah, went too far. Just kidding. Okay, so let's go back to classwork. Anything else you want to take a look at?
I think that's everything there. And people is that still the same? Students,
people,
teachers.
so we got teachers. So this is a little different. So invite teacher now is right here. I can invite Jen Cherry. Yay, invites. You can also, for students, you can give them the code, or you can add them manually. So if you're super ambitious and you want to add in all your rosters,
Go you.
go you. Maybe not me, but
Not
definitely
I.
you. Where you can go in and add them, and then when they go to Google Classroom, it's just a join button. So they're not typing in a code, they're just pressing a join button. So this is really helpful for students.
For little guys, the elementary kids.
Little guys or students who have a hard time just typing in codes and passwords and things. This would be really good. Just join them, just get the stress off them, and makes it fun like that. So that's people.
What's the setting button? Let's check our
settings. Yes. So settings looks really different. Let's see what this edit button does. Okay, so this is where you can edit class description and where does class meet. Class code, of course, you can change this by resetting it. Of course, I hate the codes with like the zeros in them. That's really annoying. This is where the money is. So this moved. This is an important one. Students can post and comment. We only allow students to comment. Oh my goodness. Show deleted items. Only teachers can view deleted items. What's this? Okay, so this, I guess if you delete stuff. And then Guardian summaries.
So click see example.
Let's click see example. Oh, it just gives us what it looks like.
So that's what parents see.
This is what parents see. So kind of cool. So date range missing from last week. Definitely useful. Due next week. And then it looks like this is like the next class. So all their classes are going to be listed here. So teachers at Bramlett Middle School do a really good job at using Google Classroom. So it kind of really depends on the school, but really push teachers. It's not a requirement, but it makes it really nice when everybody's using the same tool to communicate to their students, for sure. Anything else you want to click on, Ms. Cherry?
I don't think so.
So what do you think?
Definitely like the topics. I could see everybody trying that a different way. You could do it units. You could do projects. So
Definitely. So I think some things definitely to kind of click around and play on. So next set of videos that I'm going to make here at BAM Teacher Tech. So you'll get a little bit more concise videos, in-depth videos as far as things to kind of consider and look at. We'll also be previewing or allowing teachers opportunities to share on BAM Teacher Tech ways they're using this new format for Google Classroom. So thanks for watching. Always subscribe here at BAM Teacher Tech. Check out Twitter, Instagram at BAM Teacher Tech. And also make sure you follow my friend, Miss Cherry at Cherry Reads. She's amazing, has a lot of awesome resources about project-based learning, Global Read Aloud, NaNoWriMo, all these awesome things like that. So thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.